Writing headlines for your emails. The headline is one of the most important parts of your email. The headline is what draws the reader's attention to your email. It tells them what the email is about and allows them to determine if they're going to open it up or not. The headline is often what dictates if only a few people open your emails or whether a large portion of your list opens your email. Of course, the best way to get people to actually open and read your emails is to develop a relationship with your subscribers, but a good headline is still important in convincing your subscribers that your email is worth reading. So here are some headline ideas you can use in your own campaigns. Benefit headlines. These headlines let your subscribers know that they will be getting a specific benefit once they open and read the email. A few examples could be, lose 10 pounds in 7 days. How you can train your puppy to stay. Discover the secrets of selling your own books online. Problem headlines. These headlines highlight a problem the subscribers might be going through and presume to offer a solution within the email. For example, are you struggling to lose your belly fat? Not anymore. Need relief from stress? Check this out. Embarrassed by your hair loss? You need to see this. How to headlines. These headlines tell the subscribers they are going to learn how to do something within the email. Here are a few examples. How to lose 10 pounds in the next 21 days. How to potty train your child in 3 days. How to win friends and influence people. Direct command headlines. These headlines tell the subscribers to do something specific. For example, read this if you want to discover the secret of growing pumpkins. Get started with your own online business today. Stop struggling to lose weight today. Question headlines. These headlines ask subscribers a question about some problem they are going through. Here are a few examples. How long have you struggled to lose your belly fat? Do you need help with your marriage? Why haven't you started making a full-time income online? Offer headlines. These headlines present a specific offer to the subscriber. For example, free shipping on all books ordered today. 20% off if you order today. Buy one get one free, 24 hours only. Use these headline examples in your own email campaigns. Obviously, use your own offers and benefits to fit your subscribers.